Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a point to a shape in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I add a point to a shape on this sheet. You have to go insert menu, then you can see here are shapes drop down menu. Now you click this drop down menu and choose a shape. Now draw this shape. Now I add a point on this shapes. At first you have to select this shape, then go to shape format. Now click edit shape drop down menu. Now click edit points. Now right click where you add a point. Now click add point. Now you can see I add point to shapes in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.